How to fix Airbnb cannot leave review. To fix review submission issues on Airbnb, first of all, you have to ensure that you are leaving the feedback within the strict 14-day window following checkout. If you're within this timeline and the system blocks you, clearing your browser data or updating your mobile application will resolve the technical error. Now, once you verify the 14-day deadline, all you want to do is, first of all, check your Wi-Fi connection as well, and then head backwards, find the app icon from your app drawer, then access the app info, then scroll downwards until you find the storage option. Go ahead and proceed to clear the cache. Once you do so, all the corrupted and the unwanted files should be removed. Despite all of these solutions, if your Airbnb is still facing the same problem, what you want to do is go ahead and uninstall the application onto your device, then proceed to reinstall it, and then your problems should be resolved. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.